How do genetics change your beer taste perception? Imagine cracking open a cold beer and noticing how some people find it bitter while others barely taste that bitterness. Ever wonder why that happens? Well, your genes play a big part in how you experience beer flavors. The way you perceive taste starts with genes that code 4 taste receptors on your tongue. These receptors detect different flavors like sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. When it comes to beer, bitterness is a key flavor, especially in hop-forward styles like IPAs. The TAS2R family of genes is especially important here. One gene in this family, called TAS2R38, has common variants that influence how sensitive you are to bitter compounds. People with the PAV variant of the TAS2R30 gene tend to perceive bitterness more strongly. That means they might find beers with lots of hops, which contain bitter compounds, more intense and less enjoyable. On the other hand, those with the AVI variant usually perceive less bitterness, making them more comfortable with hoppy beers or even enjoying beers that others find too bitter. But it's not just about bitterness. Other genes also influence how you feel about alcohol. The TRPV1 gene encodes a receptor that detects the burning or spicy sensation caused by alcohol. Variations in this gene can make the alcohol burn feel stronger or weaker. So, if you have a variation that heightens this sensation, you might find certain beers too harsh or spicy. These genetic differences help explain why some people dislike bitter beers or feel overwhelmed by the alcohol burn, while others seek out those sensations. Your perception of beer flavors can shape your preferences and how much you enjoy different styles. For those conducting a beer sensory evaluation, understanding these genetic factors is helpful. It shows why some tasters might find certain beers too bitter or too strong, even if others love them. Recognizing this natural variability can help brewers create a wider range of beers to suit different taste profiles. In sensory panels, knowing about genetic differences can improve how results are interpreted. Some panelists might be genetically predisposed to detect or dislike certain flavors more intensely. This awareness can lead to more accurate assessments of a beer's flavor profile. So, in simple terms, your genes influence how you taste beer by affecting your sensitivity to bitterness and the burn from alcohol. These genetic traits shape your preferences and how you experience the beer. Understanding this makes the art of tasting even more fascinating, as it combines biology with sensory enjoyment.